welcome back to my channel, just Ria. If this is your first time in my place, my name is Ria, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an enveloping of something that I got off of an Etsy shop. So I've had it for probably about a week now, and I am unenveloping it today. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. I hate when I do that. I always forget to open the envelope before I start the video so that you don't hear this. This is so irritating. I'm gonna have to start remembering that. All right, you guys. So I ordered this on January 30th. I ordered this on January 30th, and I ordered it from Planner Plaza. Right there. Right there. Planner Plaza. And yeah, she wrote me a note and it says, thank you for shopping. Thank you for supporting my mama run small business. My little fiance and I sure do appreciate you. Hope you come back soon. And what I ordered was a Save-Opoly Savings challenge, and it's also a budget. It fits into a budget binder. It's an A6 size. It's laminated. It says Saveopoly on it. I thought that was super cute, and it's for money management. This cost me $7, which I thought was affordable, since you know we're budgeting over here. We want to buy things that are affordable and not overspend. So let's just, okay, cool. This is laminated too. So this is like a mini Monopoly. And basically, you're supposed to roll a dice and land on one of the markers. And whatever marker you land on, that's how much you save. So there's a whole instructions on the yeah, that's all that came in here. And I think if you land on one of these, you have to roll again. I have them upside down, sorry. If you land on one of these, you have to roll again, and then like you pretty much save double of whatever you land on. So I can't wait to get that started. I think it's neat. I thought it was super cute. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So this is going to go into my weekly one. Just going to put it like that, zip it up. And I think I want to put it in here with these. I don't know. No, because it's going to be like sinking funds. So they're just going to go in here, and I'm going to put it, if I even have room. I'm going to put it here, right at the beginning. Okay, there we go. All right. And if you guys remember last week, or maybe it was the week before last, I had bought some savings challenges. So what I'm going to do is scratch one off of the $250 one. Because I want to start saving starting today. Now, I got this from Hands and Bands, and this is my scratch off token. Okay guys, so I was supposed to, look, I had my envelope. I had the good intentions of doing the cash stuffing this week, but it just did not work out. So it did not work out that way. I couldn't get the video recorded in time, and I had ended up spending so much of the money in the envelope that it was just pointless of trying to do a cash stuffing. So I'm just gonna count what I have. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, $22. So I at least have enough to at least do one scratch off, which was what I wanted to do. So let's just pick one to scratch off. I don't want to go down the road. I just want to randomly pick. So I'm gonna pick here. Okay. Watch it be $20. 10. We can do that. We can so do that. I really like how they scratch off. That is so neat. And that is what I scratched off, $10. So that is what I'm going to put in my, I'm not going to do just a 110, I want to do ones. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is my savings challenge. And so my savings challenge, I think that I said that I wanted that to be savings. So we're gonna put $10 in here. So I have my 10 ones in my savings envelope. Now, I have completed my first savings scratch off. I'm gonna do this every week. I want to at least, or maybe every 2 weeks. Maybe every 2 weeks, and then starting the next 2 weeks, I'll do two scratch offs. Or one scratch off and one Saveopoly. How about that? But as you can see, I plan on doing a lot of savings. For this year, I started late, but hey, better late than never. If you guys want a Saveopoly game, savings game, then I will link it in the description box below where I got it from. I really like the A6 binder envelope. I thought that that was super cute, and I like the game. So, and it's reusable basically. So you can just keep it going. Like, you know, you just keep every week, you can just keep, or every 2 weeks, or however you want to do it. You can just keep reusing this same thing because it's reusable. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.